Hi everyone, it's Marky. Let's talk about the EVERPRO Instant Root Touch-Up. I have been using this for years. It is so great and so quick. It does come in a 2.5 fluid ounce bottle. It lasts quite a long time. It's an aerosol, so it goes on really fine and easy mist. And then I use this because I am naturally blonde and I have to dye my hair really frequently in order to not have my blonde roots showing against my dark hair. So in between dye jobs, I use this and it works perfectly. It looks so natural, you can't even tell, and it's a quick, easy fix. So I don't have to dye my hair if I'm going somewhere or I'm worried about my roots showing and I don't have time to dye my hair. So you could also use this for grays. When I had my kids, I had a lot of hair loss and a lot of thinning. This helped fill in the gaps so it didn't look like there were patches of my hair missing. So it's perfect for a lot of different reasons. To use it, I just style my hair how I want and then I spray it on my dry hair. You hold it about 6 inches away and finally mist the area that you want. You just have to be a little bit technical with it to make sure you're not getting it on your scalp, but it's really, really, really easy. I let it dry for about 60 seconds before I'm touching it or moving it around, and then you are completely good to go. So if you have gray hair, if you have hair that you just need to touch up in between dye jobs or anything like that, I would highly recommend this product, and I hope this was helpful. Thank you.